Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe for more teaching gaming tutorial and TikTok videos and more. Alright, today I am going to show you how to use your Android phone as webcam. Trust me, it is useful for you guys and it working 100%. Let's go to the video first. Download Droid Cam in the Play Store or in my Telegram channel, link in the description box, and open it. Then click on next and click on it. Then it asks you for Droid Cam to access photos, media, and files on your device, and click allow. Again click allow. Second, you have to connect your phone and PC in the same Wi-Fi. As you can see, I connect my devices in the same Wi-Fi. When you connect your phone in Wi-Fi, you will able to see IP address. This is my IP. Your may be different, just copy your IP address into your PC browser. As you can see my PC in the screen. You can save photos in your PC. You can autofocus your phone camera. You can zoom in or out. Finally, you have to subscribe my channel for 10 years. Good luck. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I see you in the next one. Peace and love.